A sinusoidal function in the form y equals a sine parentheses b parentheses x minus c close it plus d, when graphed, y has a maximum value of 10.52 and a minimum value of negative 8.76. What is the value of a? So this is asking simply, what's the amplitude? Well, how do you find the amplitude? It's half the total height. So it's going to be half of the very tippy top, 10.52, minus the very bottom, negative 8.76. Okay, so half of 10.52 plus 8.76. All right, so that would be half of, what is that, 19.28. Half of 19.20, 9.64. So it was B.